Hello everyone. Next point in solid state, that is relationship between molar mass, density of the substance and unit cell age length. In that we only find out the formula for calculating the molar mass, density of substance or age length of unit cell. Let's see how formula is derived. First, we know that if age length of cubic unit cell is A, cubic unit cell ची age length काय आहे? A. Then volume of unit cell is A cube. See here. Suppose mass of one particle is small m. Unit cell मधील जे पार्टिकल्स आहेत त्यातील एका पार्टिकलचं मास किती आहे? स्मॉल m. And there are n particles per unit cell. Unit cell मध्ये किती particles आहेत? n particles आहेत. Then mass of unit cell is mass of one particle into n particle per unit cell. See here, small m into n. This equation gives first number. Then density of unit cell. The symbol of density is rho, RHO. We know that the formula of density is mass upon volume. Then density of substance is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. And we know that mass of unit cell is, see here, mass of unit cell is m into n. Put the value in the formula. And volume of unit cell is A cube. This is the formula of density of substance. This equation gives second number. Then molar mass. Molar mass is denoted by capital M. Molar mass of substance is given by, molar mass चा काय formula आहे? Molar mass is equal to mass of one particle into number of particles per mole. Mass of one particle, see here, mass of one particle is small m. Mass of one particle is small m. Then number of particles per mole is nothing but the Avogadro number. It is denoted by Na. Na is nothing but Avogadro number, and we know the value of Avogadro number. By using this equation, we find the mass of one particle. Mass of one particle is equal to molar mass of substance divided by number of particles per mole, that is Avogadro number. This equation gives third number. Combining equation first and third gives this first equation. Combining equation first and equation third gives density of substance is equal to, first equation काय आहे बघा, m into n, and the value of m is m upon Na into n divided by A cube. After arranging the equation, we get the formula of density is equal to m into n divided by A cube into Avogadro number. Where let's see the meaning of all these symbol. Rho. Rho is nothing but the density of substance. Capital M is molar mass. N is number of atoms in cube. Then Avogadro, A cube is the age length of cubic unit cell, and Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atom per mole. Here नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स इन क्यूब. क्यूब का म्हटलेलं आहे कारण तिथं कोणताही असू शकते. बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूब असेल, फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूब असेल. लेट्स सी one example. An element occur in body centered cubic structure with the cell age of 288 picometer. Find the density of element if its atomic mass is 51.7. काय फाइंड करायचे आपल्याला? डेन्सिटी फाइंड करायची. तर एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना आपण जे एक्झाम्पलमध्ये गिवन आहे ते फर्स्ट राईट डाऊन करायचं. फर्स्ट गिवन काय दिलेलं आहे? सेल एज म्हणजे एज लेंथ दिलेलं आहे. वी नो दॅट एज लेंथ इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल ए. एज लेंथ इज 288 picometer. Then we convert into centimeter. We know that by multiplying 10 raised to minus 10 it converts into centimeter. Then it will become 2.88 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Avogadro number Na. We know the value of Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atom per mole. See here mass is given 51.7 gram per mole. Here body centered cubic structure. For body centered cubics number of particle is 2 atoms and find the density. We know the formula of density is m into n divided by a cube into Avogadro number. Put the value in the formula. After putting the value, do calculation yourself and find the density. The answer will be 7.19 gram centimeter cube.